This is a Fox News alert. A wild and chaotic day at the Daytona International Speedway after two crashes during the nationwide race, including this one on the final lap. Moments before the end of the race, Kyle Larson's car sailing into the fence that separates the track from the grandstands. He managed to escape from his car afterwards, but his accident set off a chain reaction with reports of at least 10 cars crashing into each other. Large chunks of debris flew into the stands, injuring fans, but we do not know how many were injured. Emergency workers are bringing stretchers into the crowd to care for the injured. And shortly before that crash, there was another accident involving 13 cars. Now, this one happening with 5 laps remaining in the race. Stewart won the race by maneuvering around the wreckage, but did not celebrate afterwards. And we're going to bring you more details on this crash coming up later in this show.